You shouldn't have to pay for online searches at the cost of your personal data. We at StartPage believe anyone in the world has the right to access and search the internet with true privacy. That belief is exactly why we created the first ever private search engine in 2006. Since then, StartPage has grown to become the world's most private search engine, delivering Google results. We're not here to tell you what to do, but rather provide the choice to not be profiled by your search engine. Meaning no search history and no search tracking. Our Dutch heritage tends to make us very direct and highly protective of privacy rights. It's just in our nature. Each time you search with StartPage, we remove all personal information, process your search anonymously through Google's best-in-class search index, deliver you unprofiled search results, offer anonymous view, our private browsing feature, letting you view websites without a trace. And finally, protect all global users with European and Dutch privacy legislation, which are arguably the world's most protective. Stop targeting and price trackers. Start searching in private. Start with StartPage.